What's going on, everybody? It's Julius Caesar. Literally, everybody needs a haircut. From the businessman, to the club promoter, to the best chefs. I'm not just asking what type of haircut they want. I'm asking what do they do? What type of lifestyle do they have? Do they even have time in the morning to get the kind of hairstyle that they actually want? It takes more than just knowing how to cut hair. It's more than actually just knowing how to fade if you're just a barber. It's more than just a side part, a bald fade, a pompadour, a pixie cut, whatever it may be. Being a barber is a time-old profession. To me, it's more than just a profession, it's a lifestyle. I'm Julius Caesar, and I'm signing out. Peace.